Enjoy your favorite food without the extra calories. This air fryer allows you to fry, bake, grill, and roast with little to no oil. Make crispy fried chicken, steak, French fries, pizza and much more in one countertop appliance. Sleek and modern look with advanced touchscreen menu. Take the guesswork out of cooking with a built-in touchscreen menu featuring 8 cooking presets: fries/chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. Equipped with a wide temperature range from 180 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments and a cooking timer up to 30 minutes. Featuring a new start/stop button to change time and temperature in the middle of a cook cycle. Don't forget to shake with the new built-in alarm function that reminds you to shake your ingredients in 5, 10, 15-minute increments. Comes with non-stick pan and detachable basket equipped with a cool touch handle and button guard to prevent accidental detachment. Shake and flip contents in the middle of your cooking program with a detachable frying basket. Includes recipe book. This recipe book is filled with 50 recipes specifically made for GoWISE USA air fryers. Choose from a variety of meals to make for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. All GoWISE USA products come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty and forever support from GoWISE customer care. Registered products receive an additional 60 days of warranty coverage. Searching for a gift? This air fryer is the perfect gift under the tree for everyone. Get this multifunctional air fryer for the moms on the go, dads who love to cook, grandparents or anyone who wants to be healthier. This air fryer allows you to cook your favorite fried foods with little to no oil and without the mess that comes with deep frying. Rapid air technology, food cooks from all sides at once just like frying in oil, so you'll get that crispy texture you crave. Top reviews from the United States. I'm in love. I was shopping around for air fryers and polling all my friends and family who have them. My sister recommended this one and I'm so glad I went with it. I admittedly haven't experimented too much with it yet, but the use I've gotten out of it so far has been fantastic. Nuggets, fish fillets, potatoes, chicken, everything's so easy to cook in this thing, and it's so much faster than trying to use a conventional oven. I keep bookmarking more recipes to try in it, but I also want to try a bunch of things in the recipe book that came with it. One of the biggest pluses is how easy it is to clean. That might have actually been the biggest selling point for me. The basket is a little bulky in the sink, sure, but food comes off a non-stick surface with no problem at all and the design is such that you don't have to deal with nooks and crannies.